If you've recently been to the Cades Cove Visitor Center, the one that is on the far end of the Loop Road, take a ride down Forge Creek Road to visit the Henry Whitehead cabin. Don't forget to check out the description and the link below for some more detailed information about this historic site. It's kind of got a cool story behind it. If you're interested in hiking, you can continue past the cabin up to the Gregory Ridge Trail.
A little further out the Forge Creek Road is the Parsons Branch Road, which is a very primitive one-way road that leads out of the park over to the Tail of the Dragon over on 129, US 129. If you go that way, you need to have a vehicle that's that high clearance that can handle it, probably four-wheel drive or at least a pickup truck. But you can go out that way to the park and come over on the Dragon and then work your way back through Townsend. But it's a long way around, but it is there available.
So we hope you enjoy this video.